Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to show you how to make this Goan sausage fried rice. It is a super simple and really easy recipe and you will absolutely love this recipe. So now let's begin. So first in a hot pan add oil and then add about 2 sliced onions and fry this until the onion is nice and dark brown. Then when the onion reaches to this stage, then simply leave it in a separate bowl. Then in the same pan add oil, add 1 chopped garlic clove. Then fry this until the garlic is nice and brown. Then add 2 chopped onion and fry this until the onion is nice and soft. Then add 2 cloves. Add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Add ½ inch cinnamon stick and fry this for about a minute. Then add 1 chopped tomato and fry the tomato until it is nice and soft. Then once it reaches to this stage, add 1 tablespoon Goan Recheado Masala, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, then add 2 tablespoon Maggi Hot&Sweet Sauce, add 1 cube chicken stock, then fry this for about 2 minutes. Then once it reaches to this stage, simply add about 30 to 35 Goan pork sausages and fry this for about 8 to 10 minutes. Make sure the sausages are nicely cooked on a low flame. Then add some salt to taste and fry this for about 2 minutes. Make sure the sausages are nicely cooked. If you like this recipe, then please do subscribe to my channel and also hit the like if you really like this recipe. Then when the sausages reach to this stage, when it is nicely cooked, then simply add about 1 large bowl of cooked rice. You can add any rice you like. Then add the fried onion and add a handful of chopped coriander and fry the rice for about 4 to 5 minutes and give this a really nice mix. There you go guys, the recipe is ready now. It is a really simple and an easy recipe that anyone can make it. If you don't have enough time and if you want to make something quick and delicious, this is a really nice recipe. So please do try this recipe at home and do comment and do like this recipe guys. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for more recipes in the future. Then once the rice is nicely fried, then simply serve and enjoy. I hope you will try this recipe at home. Thanks for watching my recipe and I will see you in the next video. Bye.